Yes, tingnan mo yung kabilang section, parang antaray.
Nasaan?
Oo nga. Hala, bes, inirapan ka, payag ka nun. Okay lang, mas maganda naman kami sa inyo. What? I don't know understanding what you are say is talking to me. Like ours, poorest people. Ha? Ano daw? Hoy, magtagalog ka na lang. Napakapiling nito, barok-barok naman ang English. Well, I hopeless you do bitter. Anong bitter? Better, bobo. Oo nga, sarap mong sampalin. Ours, you B section are so dumb and puriest. Like you all cannot buy some foods, the fuck. Pumarito ka, kakalbuhin kita. Buisit ka. Yak ang baho ng buhok. Kung anong baho ng English mo, ganun kabaho yung buhok mo. Ano, hindi sa inyo uso ang shampoo? Ouch! How dare you do is that to me, you little chimpanzee? Pinayupa ka. Paano ka naging section A kung ganyan kakabobo? Ay! Well, I'm before the valedictorian in our elementary school. Valedictorian, not valedictorian. Babalian kita ng ligay. Saka ba nag-aral sa panahon ng mga gorilya? Oh my God, I don't understand what you are saying. Lalo na ako, hindi kita maintindihan. Besi, may paparating ng teacher, tara na. Wait! Ang kakapal ng mukha ninyo, kala nyo naman ang gagaling nyo mag-English? O ba't hindi ka pa rin talaga titigil? Besi, wait. Leave it to me. You! How dare you hammering me and hammering him? You do know that we are the president and the vice president of the Philippines in our elementary school, you piece of shit. Ang galing mo talaga, Bessie. You bobowers. Sabi ko sa'yo, kaya ko yan eh. Pero tara na, takbo na.